Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about SAP demo. So the common people, we have six type of questions. First one is what is SAP? The second one is future of SAP software. Third question, who are all eligible to learn SAP software? Fourth one, which SAP module suitable for me? Fifth one, why I want to learn SAP software? Sixth and last one, job opportunity in SAP software. So we are going to see one by one detailedly. So the first one, what is SAP? So SAP is system applications and products in the data processing. This is the abbreviation of SAP. So SAP is the fourth largest software company in the world. So SAP R3 system is a business software package designed to integrate all area of a business. It provides end-to-end solutions for financial, manufacturing, logistics, and distribution, and then sales, marketing, education, all type of industry solutions. All business process are executed in one SAP system and share common information with everyone. So SAP is the one of the enterprise software in our industry. So we can call it as the ERP software. ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. In industry, we have Oracle, Microsoft, Zoho, and then some other applications for industry solutions. So one of the ERP software is SAP. Second question, future of SAP software. So SAP having the total market share more than 50% in terms of industry software, which is called as ERP software. So apart from that SAP, we have Microsoft, Custom Build, Oracle, KPD, and then Exact. Like this, so many softwares are there in industry. So SAP, the global revenue from 2009 to 2019. So here available. So the market size in 2022, 97.49 billion US dollar. So it is estimated in 2030 it is around 154.4 billion US dollar. So almost 50 percentage will be increase. So the year on year compound annual growth rate is 6.8 percentage. So based on this data, we come to know that so the future of SAP software is very good. So the next third question, who are all eligible to learn SAP software? So here I'm categorized four different type of peoples. The first one is fresher, the second one is working people, third one is SAP consultant, fourth one is end user. So the fresher is nothing but who is completed the degree graduations. So they need to learn the business process in each and every module, and then the end user transactions, and then the configurations also for that particular module. So the three category we learn as a fresher. The working people who is working in maybe non-IT or IT industries, they also need to learn the business process and then end user transaction and then configuration. So the third category is SAP consultant who is working in SAP in some other module. For example, they are working as a FICO consultant. They want to learn about MM module, business process, and then what are all the day-to-day transaction or end user transaction activity. Finally, the configuration, MM module configuration. So they need to know entire three things. The finally end user. So end user who is working in SAP, the day-to-day business transactions handling person, they can learn only end user transaction because their scope only for day-to-day business transaction activity. So they are not required for configuration, and then business process may be optional. So the only requirement is end user transaction for SAP end users. So these are all the four different type of category people who all are eligible to learn SAP. So there is no specific qualification required to learn SAP. but minimum bachelor degree is recommended. Fourth question, which SAP module suitable for me? So I will recommend SAP modules based on your educational background and working experience. So here I am giving four type of categories. The first one is education related to engineering degree, BE, BTech or ME, MTech. So who can choose SAP MM or SAP PP modules? MM is nothing but material management, PP production planning, SD sales and distribution. Then the working peoples who is having the experience in production store or production planning purchase departments, they can choose SAP MM and then PP modules. The departments like logistics, store and then sales, they can choose SAP sales and distribution modules. So the next category, BCom or MCom or other commerce degree, so they can choose SAP FICO module. In industry terms, we can call it as a FICO module, financial accounting and then controlling. And then who is having working experience in finance and accounts department, they also can choose SAP FICO modules. So the third one is BBA and then MBA, other management degree, who is having experience in HR and then admin departments. They can choose SAP HCM or SAP Success Factor. HCM is nothing but human capital management. The latest version is SAP Success Factor for HR and admin. So the fourth category is BCA, MCA and then BSc, MSc. Other computer science related degree, they can choose SAP ABAP module, Advanced Business Application Programming. Who is working in programming or coding related to computer science background students or working professionals, they also can choose SAP ABAP module. So please see the notes. Above table is only for reference and understanding purpose. So there is no mandatory. So individual person, they can decide based on their interest of area, they can choose any module in SAP. There is no any restrictions. So the next fifth question, why I want to learn SAP software? So as the world becomes increasingly digital, companies are tuning to advanced technologies to streamline their operations, and SAP is such business application software that helps organizations of all sizes to manage their operations in various areas including finance, supply chain, human resource and service, many more. As a graduate, learning SAP skills can help you land your dream job with great compensation and other benefits. So here are some reasons why you should consider learning SAP skills. So the first point is high demand for SAP professionals always. SAP is used by organizations across the globe and there is a high demand for professionals who have expertise in SAP. SAP skills are needed across industries like manufacturing, healthcare, retail, and many others. By learning SAP skills, you increases your chance of finding a job quickly and landing a role with high salary and other benefits. Additionally, SAP professionals have the opportunity to work on exciting projects and travel to different parts of the world. So the second point is competitive advantages. Having SAP skills on your resume can give you a competitive advantage over other candidates. It demonstrates to potential employers that you have an understanding of enterprise resource planning, which is called ERP software, and can use it to manage business process efficiently. Especially as a graduate, you need to stand out from the crowd and having SAP skills can help you do that. So the next point is career development and growth. So SAP skills are not just useful for landing your first job. As you gain experience with SAP, you will get a higher chance of advancing your career. SAP offers various certification programs that can help individuals showcase their experience in SAP. With your certification, you can demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers which can lead to career advancement opportunities. So the final one is future proof skills. SAP is constantly evolving, and learning SAP skills can help you stay relevant in the job market. As companies continue to adopt advanced technologies, having SAP skills can help you adapt to the changing job market and stay ahead of the competition. So the final last question is job opportunities in SAP. So we have two different type of job opportunity as a consultant. The first one is the implementation consultant role, which means in industry we have two different type of companies. First one is SAP implementing companies, another one is SAP using companies. As the implementation consultant role, we are going to work in SAP implementing companies like TCS, Accenture, Deloitte. These are all the company in India, SAP implementing company. They are going to implement SAP product their own clients. So we can join as a TCS employee or Deloitte Accenture employee. We can work as a new implementation project. The role is implementation consultant role. The second level opportunity is supporting consultant role, which means SAP implemented in a particular company. So we need to support to solve the day-to-day business transactions related to SAP software in that particular company. So in that case, we can act as a supporting consultant role. In simple terms, in industry terms, we can say it as a IT team. So we are going to join in a particular SAP implemented company as a supporting consultant role in their IT team. So we have both opportunity. We can work as the implementation consultant role and then supporting consultant role. So the industry solutions of SAP. SAP functioning all over the world, 200 plus countries in every type of industry sectors. So here are some examples: aerospace, defense, automotive, banking, chemicals, consumer products, healthcare, education, insurance, mining, oil and gas, media, railways, communication, so the logistics. These are only some examples. So apart from this, almost 25 plus different type of industry sector SAP is running now. So as a SAP consultant, we have lot of opportunity to get the job not only in India, all over the world. So the next we are going to see SAP FICO syllabus. So this is our SAP financial accounting and then controlling FICO module syllabus. So first we will start with introduction to SAP. So you may be a fresher or experienced person. You know about SAP or you don't know about anything about SAP. You need to worry about that. So we will start from zero onwards. So the first chapter, introduction to SAP. Here we can see about SAP history, product of SAP, and then industry solutions of SAP, SAP modules and integrations, advantages of SAP, SAP system landscape, SAP project implementation methodology. So these are all the topics coming under introduction to SAP. Then we can start with enterprise structure, or we can call it as a organizational structure. So here we are going to create company, company code, credit control area, business area, financial management area, segment, everything. So the enterprise structure or organizational structure, it's like a basement. It is the base for our FICO module configuration. So the next chapter, financial accounting global settings. So we are going to create financial year and then posting periods. Based on that financial year, we are going to define posting periods. So the next we are going to define the tolerance group for employees, GL accounts, define account groups, define account types, define posting keys. These are all the topics coming under financial accounting global settings. So the next one, general ledger accounting. So in SAP financial accounting, everything links with a general ledger account. So we can call it as a GL normally. So GL provides a complete record of financial transaction at a company. So the transactions are recorded in financial submodule that can be recorded, but the GL is real time. All financial transaction in a system will result in your GL account, which means the general ledger account. So here you are going to create chart of accounts, account group, return earnings accounts, and then GL creation. What are all the postings going to happen in real time? GL postings, GL reversal, GL document park hold, and then the reversal of reversal document. The entire end-to-end GL general ledger accounting configuration and then general ledger accounting postings we will cover. So then the next accounts payable. So the accounts payable is nothing but vendor or supplier. So we need to configure vendor or supplier master configurations. Then what are the different type of postings related to our vendor. So everything we are going to learn. And then the payment method, automatic payment method for our supplier. So the next accounts receivable. So here we are going to configure the entire customer information related to our client. So customer master configuration, then customer postings. We can block, delete, one time vendor, one time customer, everything we are going to see. Then payment terms, then the dunning procedure. The dunning procedure very important in our FICO module. We are not receiving the payment from our customer. We are going to configure the dunning process. So the system will then send the reminder notice. So how many notices required? 3, 4, 5, something like that. So the next one is bank accounting. So we are going to create house bank for our client and then related to our client customer and then vendor banking information. So then asset accounting. In FICO module, the asset accounting is the one of the important topic. So we are going to configure end-to-end asset accounting. It's like a depreciation, account determination, chart of depreciation account for our company code. And then after configuration, we are going to create the asset master. Then we are going to purchase the asset. So over the period, we need to calculate the depreciation year on year. So after that, once the particular asset life is over, we need to sell or retire the asset, which is called retirement of asset or sale of asset. Then how we need to verify the book value for each and every asset. So the end-to-end configuration about asset accounting we will cover. So the next part is tax configuration. So under the tax configuration, we will cover TDS and then GST. So here the next topic is others. So SAP introduced new features related to the parallel ledger accounting and then cash journal. So we are going to see all these topics under the financial accounting. From 11th chapter onwards, we will start general controlling, which means this is a CO part, controlling part. General controlling, then cost center accounting, after that internal orders, profit center, integration FI with MM and then SD module we will cover additionally. So this is about the overview of our SAP FICO Financial Accounting Controlling syllabus. I think now you can get the clear answer about all these questions. So what is SAP, future of SAP software? So who are all eligible to learn? So which module suitable for me? And then why I want to learn SAP? Finally, what is the job opportunity in SAP system? SAP training will be provided both Tamil and English languages. Thank you.